So hello guys, this time it's bstat 2007 MCQ type questions. We'll do from 11th to 15th. We've already completed 1 to 10. So let's begin. See, the function fx is equals to x minus 1, x minus 2 by x minus a, and x not equals to a. This function takes all values in minus infinity to infinity. Then we must have the 4 below options, out of which only one is correct. So let's see. Y is equals to f of x equals to x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus a. What we do here is we are given a function y equals fx, and now we'll write the equation for x in terms of y. So cross multiplying, first of all, yx minus ay equals x square minus 3x plus 2, and this we get a quadratic in x. Okay, so this quadratic in x, now now x to be real, you must have that the discriminant of this equation, that is d1, should be positive. So 3 plus y square minus 4 into 2 plus ay, it gives you this expression, y square plus y into 6 minus 4a plus 1. Now this y square plus y plus 6 minus 4a plus 1 should always be greater than 0. Okay, so for that to happen, the discriminant of this equation should be negative. Please think once more. See, if you have discriminant of this negative, then this equation will always be positive, will never be equal to 0 or less than 0. So our conditions will be met. So d1 should be greater than 0. For that to happen, d2 should be less than 0. And d2, what is d2? d2 is the discriminant of this equation. So d2 is b2 square minus 4a2 c2, that is 6 minus 4a square minus 4 into 1 into 1, that is minus 4. Okay, so this should be negative. On factorizing this, you will get 8 minus 4a into 4 minus 4a smaller than equal to 0, a minus 2 into a minus 1 smaller than equal to 0, a belongs to 1 say 2. So this, you will get the answer is D. Okay, moving on further. In how many ways can you choose 3 distinct numbers from the set 1, 2, 3 up to 20 such that the product is divisible by 4? Sorry. So for this you need to have either two even numbers and one odd number, or 3 even numbers, or a multiple of 4 and 2 odd numbers. Okay, and for no and only these are the favorable conditions, and you have to count them. So let us see out of 20 numbers there are 10 odds and 10 evens. You are allowed to select all evens, one case, or you are allowed to select 2 evens and 1 odd, one case, or you are allowed to select one even, i.e. a multiple of 4, and any 2 other odds. Okay, so first condition gives you 10c3. Out of 10 evens, all are even. Second condition, you select 10 out of 10 evens, you select 2 evens, and out of 10 odds you select 1 odd. And third condition is you have to select a multiple of 4. Now there are 5 multiples of 4: 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. So 5 into 2 odds, you have to select 2 odds, so 10c2. On simplifying this, you get 795. So our answer is A. Next, consider the function fx equals e power 2x minus x square. Then these are the options. See what will happen. Y equals to fx equals to e power 2x minus x square. Now let this e power 2x be y1 and x square be y2. Now wherever this y1 becomes y2, we get fx equals to 0 or y equals to 0. So if you see here, at x equals to 0, you will have at x equals to 0 you will have y2 will be 0, see, and y1 will be 1. So the graph will look something like this. Achha, this is the graph for y1 equals to e power 2x, and this is graph for y2 equals to x square. If you plot the values for n, suppose you plot the values for x equals to 2, x equals to 1, okay, let it be x equals to 1, then you will get y equals to e squared and y2 equals to 1. Now the approximate value is 2.71. Now 2.71 square you will do it will give you 7.3. and if you go for x equals to 1 in y2 equals to x square, it will give you again 1. So the line y equals to e power 2x is more steep. Okay, so it in the positive direction it will never intersect y2 equal to x square. So for positive x you have no solution. For negative x you will have one solution as shown in the figure, and this will occur at some point here. Okay, so this was the explanation, and the right option would be A, fx equals to 0 for some x negative but fx not equal to 0 for every x positive. Okay, 13 we are done. See, 14, for k greater than equal to 1, the value of this expression equals what? Okay, see what we have done here. We can write nc0. What is nc0? nc0 is nothing. We can write nc0 as 1, and 1 can be written as n plus 1 c0. So n plus 1 c0 plus n plus 1 c1. So n plus 1 c0 plus n plus 1 c1. Now we have the formula ncr plus ncr minus 1. ncr plus ncr minus 1 is n plus 1 cr, and that we will use here. So this expression becomes n plus 2 c1. Now n plus 2 c1 plus n plus 2 c2 will give you n plus 3 c2. Similarly, moving on, this n plus k ck will become n plus k plus 1 ck as shown here. Okay, now another property says that if ncx equals to ncy, then either x plus y equals to n or x equals to y. So we have used here x plus y equals to n property. Okay, so n plus k plus 1 ck equals to n plus k plus 1 cn plus 1. So our answer would be C. Okay, next question. In a triangle ABC, angle A is twice the angle B, then which of the following has to be true? Okay, let's see. A by sin A equals to B by sin B. Sine rule. It is given that angle A is 2 angle B. So I can write angle A as sine of 2B, and sine of 2B is 2 sin B cos B equals to B by sin B. Now sin B cancel out. Okay, so A by 2B equal to cos B. Okay, now what is cos B? Cos B is A square plus C square minus B square by 2AC. Yes, so A by 2B is this thing, and now cross multiplying, 2A square C is 2B A square plus 2B C square minus 2B cubed, and this on simplifying will give you A square into, now 2 cancels, 4 2's cancel out, A square into C minus B equals to B into C square minus B square. Okay, now C minus B cancel out because C not equals to B. So A square equals to B into B plus C. So we get this expression, and our answer is A square equals to B into B plus C. Thank you very much.